Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your car not hyper flash anymore. Well, one of the ways that you can do it. And if you don't know what hyper flashing is, it's when your car does this. And as you can see, it flashes a lot quicker than it should do. And I've got a light symbol dash on my dash, so that isn't good and I want to get rid of that. So I'm going to be putting in some anti hyper flashing bulbs, that's what I almost forgot it was called for a minute, into my car so that they can stop hyper flashing and they can go back to normal. Now you can take out the old bulb. And you can put in the new anti-hyper flash bulb. And you can put it back. And twist it back in there. And reinsert the light. Then do the exact same thing to the other side. Alright, so it's a few days or weeks or whoever knows when since I had the last clips, but that little light in there, I used to have an LED, but that was also making the light symbol come up on my dash. So I put back the original in there, but I bought a new LED bulb to put in there. So I'll have a video of me putting that in. It will be like a short few second clip video of me putting that in, just to make sure that it's good for the car and doesn't make a symbol come up on the dash as well. But as you can see, I've got the new LED indicator lights in there as well, and the hyper flashing has gone because I've already tested it and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys now. So I'll just turn on the car so you guys can see the dash and everything. You see the light symbol is gone. Those are just because, you know, the door's open, handbrake's up, no seatbelt. So those would go once I shut the door and put on my seatbelt and put down the handbrake, but no symbol there. If I put on the indicator light or the hazard lights, you'll see no more hyper flashing. If I turn them off, do my regular indicator, there's no hyper flashing, and I'll keep it on. I've just got the right indicator on at the moment, and as you see, works perfectly fine. So yeah, as you see, it works fine. When you lock the car, it still flashes both of them, and everything works good. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and until next time.